Not too long ago, I thought maybe since it was humid and raining, there might be a tornado.
It's my first time. I'm scared.
Hey, we're okay, guys.
Will we slow it up?
Jack, it's not going to get us.
Oh. It's heading away
It
from
doesn't
us,
look like
right?
it's doing anything.
There goes the beach ball.
Uh-oh. The beach ball's running away.
What, is it mine? Jack, it's fine. It's the beach
It
ball.
just
There's
looks like it's picking up dirt.
They're not that expensive, okay, Jack? We can buy another beach ball.
Awesome.
Isn't it heading our way?
No, we're fine. We're in the car.
What way is it going? Just watch. Look. Right over there. You see it? Yeah. It looks like it's There's my first tornado.
Oh, I'm gonna call. Yeah, you probably.
Please do.
Oh, that's Chuck's number. Sorry. Yours. We should call Chuck too.
Should.
439.
It's going south.
2512.
Why is it going south? Jack, shh. Wow.
I'm gonna go back to this
It's
approach.
a twister. We're barking into the Jack, shh, we're fine. Just be quiet.
I'm gonna call Chuck.
It's going away from us. It's going south.
Oh, I hope that's not hail. Chuck? 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 Okay. Chuck? Can you? This is Andrew. See, you're at home. Okay, we're sitting outside in our vehicle. We're looking to the southwest of us. There's some dirt flying in the air. It looks like a funnel. Yep, there is, and it's moving south gradually. So I just want to give you a heads up. It's about a half a mile south of Dahlgrens right now. Yep, you got it. Yep, bye bye.
It's a twister. It's going south. I was right. Yeah. No? Wow, that's big.
I'm sharing my video.
Hi, Mom. Say, are you guys at home? No. Is Dad at home? Okay. We're watching a funnel cloud here southwest of our house at the moment. It's moving south. I just tried calling you guys to see if you were there. Gosh, we're gonna get hail, aren't we? I put the kids in the vehicle because I thought I'd rather be out mobile than sitting there. Yeah. I did call Chuck too, so there you go. It's going his direction actually.
Ooh, that looks impressive.
Cassie's got some video of it here. It's just south of Drain 7 right now. Well, there's dirt. I mean, it's the dirt's getting sucked off the ground here. It's gonna be close to Miniman's house. Right across from Boyers, from Clinton and Emmett's.
Peyton and Brogan.
Yep. What'd you say, honey?
Peyton and Brogan.
Oh, Peyton. Oh yeah, Peyton and Brogan live there.
I should message them. They probably know.
So I was just making sure to see if you guys were by or not. Well, and the weather app things. The weather app things lit off, and there was one up by Walcott, I guess. So yeah, so we're just keeping an eye on it here for a minute. I'd rather be able to. I did. He was at home, and I said, just so you know, there's a one coming. He's like, no, I appreciate it. Thank you. At any rate, well, you guys aren't home, so.
Are you okay?
Okay. Right now, it's still staying west of Highway or County Road 3, so
Right now, thank you.
it doesn't look. It's not super serious, but it's moving. Yeah. Yeah. We will. Okay. Yep. Talk to you later. You bet. Yep. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Can you grab her on it? Line up there and
See
grab
if
her.
it picks up.
Go ahead, Grayson.
You see the funnel dropping down?
Mm-hmm.
You're okay, honey. Black hole. I got it. Thank you.
Yeah, like if I'm so scared.
Jim, how's it going? You guys at home? No?
I think it's coming.
Oh, okay. Was Megan?
Is it coming toward us? No, it's not.
Is Megan at home? What, honey?
It looks like it's coming this way.
We're watching a funnel cloud here south of my house. It didn't start going until west of me. But it must have came. It must have came about over your guys' place. Yep. So I went out on the Ranger and was watching, and there was a little other cell that was south of the big cell, and there were some clouds that were looking funny. So I went back out and was watching, and said, "Let's get in the vehicle, family, so we don't." I'd rather be here to move than I would to be sitting in the
Grayson,
house.
sorry.
It's gonna be. I did call Chuck here a minute ago. It's gonna be pretty much over his place here in a minute.
I think
Oh,
after
maybe
God quit
maybe it's
and
breaking
after
apart.
Jesus stopped playing bowling, after
It
he
went.
got
It was.
his right
It,
and rope
boy, I
on
couldn't have
him,
missed
he
Minimans.
started
Minimans
playing
by.
the Donkey Kong.
It was on the west side of Minimans,
He didn't want to play anymore,
and
so he
it was
just
picking up dirt
started
like crazy.
to-
I didn't see any. Yeah, I didn't see
I
any
know, he couldn't-
tree branches or anything.
I miss
It might have fizzled out here. I knew it was serious when I was out on the Ranger, and there was two kids that stopped in the road and set up their tripod, started taking pictures.
See the sun right there.
Cassie's recording right now.
Yeah.
so I can see if it's actually.
Wonder not.
These guys are still sitting on the road down here. Anyways, well, we're gonna keep an eye on this thing. I was just checking to see if you were around, but it's going south. It's got to be right across number 8 right now. So.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, it's still there. All right. Yep.
What's
Bye.
a tornado? I'm stalking Kitty.
They're okay.
Mom, are we gonna get hurt?
Nope. We're just fine. Daddy wouldn't take us anywhere where we would get hurt.
It doesn't look like a very strong tornado, Daniel. It's just picking up dirt.
What if that's broken?
Here, that's all it is.
Driving away right there. Somebody else.
That's what.
Look at all the vehicles out here.
Why are they driving that way?
Is that other one's just a semi that's been set there at the
Yeah.
anhydrous plant the whole time?
Someone's driving to the tornado.
Mom, watch your mommy does. She like does like.
There's people driving away too. There's another one coming.
Someone's trying to drive to a disaster. They're driving.
Yeah, she's been doing that.
Driving towards the tornado.
Look at she's doing.
Have you met your father?
I can't tell how far west it is.
I can't either.
Is it fine if we keep
It
going?
looks like it's maybe right over that tree. No. It looks like it's
Like this whole.
Jack. We're like 2 miles away. Don't worry, we'll get to go home and oh, I think it's got legs.
The color definition, or the gradient on this video is different than in real life. Like it looks like a big giant column.
She's got a stinky diaper.
Why is it so
Everybody freak out a little more.
Jack, that truck has been there for a
I
while.
was there.
Wanna go say hi to Chuck? Huh?
Do we have the diaper bag on?
No,
No,
Gracie.
he has a poopy diaper, I think.
Well, great.
I would too.
We're not gonna be. It's not like we're moving out, Gracie. It's okay. Our house will still be there.
Jack, can you go any faster?
Gracie.
I can. Do we want to be up there beside it? Haven't you ever seen the movie Twister?
I want to
I don't think I want to be up on the tornado.
Somebody just texted us.
No, Dad.
Casey said no.
Jim Logan.
Oh.
Me and Brody just got to watch it. It's not a.
Jim
You
Logan.
It's
guys.
PG-13. They say a lot.
Say Cassie's got pictures. She'll send them.
Plus, you guys will probably get scared. But you know what? You get to watch it.
Yeah, it doesn't really look like it's doing a whole lot.
I'm really scared.
It's okay, Jackie.
Wait. Are we going to... Do not park by it. Do not.
Oopsie.
If Dad parks by it, I'm
Dad,
driving.
it's not like magically. So there's going to be a big bowling ball that's
Dad,
gonna
what's
hit
that on the
tornado.
left? What is the light?
Oh, no.
What's what?
It's a car. Oh, wait, no, it's a police officer.
What is?
Yeah.
What is it doing?
Coming
down
to
to
the-
see if people are okay.
It's job probably.
He's gonna tell me I shouldn't be here.
Yeah.
You can tell him you get back in your car. I should probably buckle up though.
Probably should.
I'm in the
buckle.
park. I don't have to be buckled.
He's right there. I think I'd buckle.
If he's not driving, he doesn't have to be. He's in park.
Gosh, that's close to Chuck's house.
It is.
Slow him down.
Its license plate is literally shared.
Holy fuck, that's a big one. I don't like that at all. Hold on 1 second.
We've got a long. Oh,
You got 15 minutes of it.
This is the sheriff.
gosh, that thing is still.
That's twice the I have this is wiping shit out. Yep, I have already.
Just,
Oh yeah, it's got some debris.
hopefully it's just trees.
Oh no.
Oh, I think we want to get. I mean, they typically move south, but I think we better get the hell out of here.
Yeah, we've been watching. I just live up the road here.
So it's moving that way.
It's going
All right.
south. Yep.
Oh, yeah, it's here beside me.
Lord help that not to be Chuck.
Please,
Gosh,
Probably just a tree being too close.
I really like watching the twister.
Is that a storm chaser?
Yep.
I don't know.
Doesn't look. Oh, actually, it does look pretty decent.
Why is there a storm chaser broke?
Because they like something else. It's like.
So I just called the guy that lives about a mile down. He's got a driveway that runs 3/4 of a mile west. Chuck Anderson. I just called him about 2 minutes ago. I hope he's all right.
Yes. We'll get it so that we're safe, and
Yeah.
that'll be my first stop.
Okay.
Yep. So
And-
get driveway. How do I get to the driveway?
It's right off the County Road 3 here, but it's 3/4 of a mile to the west. My folks actually live the next one down on the east side. I'm Andrew Veely.
That'll be okay.
Yep, Don and Peg, but they're not home. They're in Wahpeton at the moment.
Okay.
So, and then you got can't think of his name, but they're right on 3, so they should be okay.
Okay.
But there was just some debris a minute ago, and that.
That's what I'm worried about. I just radioed that in. I got Morton and Barney coming from the south.
Yeah, so Chuck lives, and I just was on the phone with him about 3-4 minutes ago. So I told him, I said, "There's a funnel. It's going your way." So I don't know if he got in a vehicle or if he went downstairs, but
Okay. God dang it, this thing doesn't want to quit, does it?
it popped up about 2 miles north here is when it finally started to come down.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go talk to my partner here.
Yep.
I'll be right back with you.
Yep. There, I think it's quitting.
I hope so. It doesn't look like it's spinning.
I'm glad you called me.
Looks like we're using our blinkers to talk.
Is there blinkers to talk?
Can we go back home?
In a minute.
I just want to see.
I wish we could go to the rainbow.
The rainbow.
Did you see a rainbow over there?
Yeah, there's
Yeah,
one
there's
right.
the rainbow.
Yep.
Yeah. And all the Dad. Is there tornado
Maybe
clearing
not
up?
hold her again.
Dad, Mom, is the tornado clearing up?
We think so. We gotta wait and see.
Dad, the
Is
tornado.
Chuck on the fire
No, those aren't
department?
bad. Those
I think he's in the Barney Fire Department.
He's talking right now.
He is?
Yep.
Okay.
He said I'm watching it from my yard right now.
Of course he is.
I might stop in and say hi to him.
Yeah.
I'll give it a minute though, but it looks like it finally broke apart.
Mom, I'm Dad. Blue sky's coming back.
Yeah.
Blue sky.
Yeah, there was. So I was
That is
watching
the
one,
snow twister.
and it disappeared, and everybody was telling me go to the
I
free
don't
zone.
want
Oh.
I have to go to camp.
It was in Daniel Doctor's pastures. I was watching
There was another one over there.
one right here coming
Well,
right this way.
well then earlier there was one up by Walcott like 15 minutes ago or something.
Yeah, he wasn't any more than a half
Jack,
mile
you're
west of
scared.
Danielsville. And so everybody's telling me to come here. I'm like, no, I'm with them.
I like them.
I
Cleared the trees and marbles and ashes up here, and it's like, holy shit.
we were eating dinner and then they flashed across the cell phone. So I said I'm gonna go outside and just watch because I had a good view up there. And this one, you could just see the clouds kind of doing this every once in a while, and it finally picked up straight west of our house. That went for a while.
20 minutes.
I'm gonna run south and I'm gonna run through the top to see if it's still here.
There-
Chuck,